To enable spatial audio for AirPods 4, first of all, you will have to go to the settings on your device and go into the AirPods 4 shortcut. Right now you will have to keep scrolling and you will have to go into the personalized spatial audio. So click here and now tap on the personalized spatial audio. Now click continue, and as you can see right now we have to click to start capture. And what we have to do is just to put our face in front of the selfie camera and start moving our head to the left or to the right side until we set it up. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. Now you will get the circle like this one. Take a look, and you will have to move your head all around. And now, as you can see, you will get this green switcher, which means that you actually enable this personalized spatial audio. And now we can try to simply use it. That will be all. Thanks for watching. Right now, please subscribe.